Hey guys, it's Danny from AMZ Table Assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily insert Amalinks Pro CTA buttons or product boxes using my extension, AMZ Table Assistant. AMZ Table Assistant, for those of you that don't know, is a Google Chrome extension that automatically inserts Amazon ASINs into your shortcodes. It works with AAWP, ASA2, ASONPress, and Amalinks Pro. For this demo, I am using the latest version of Amalinks Pro, version 2.0.3. You will need both Amalinks Pro and AMZ Table Assistant installed in order to continue. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we did was just clicked on any product on Amazon. My extension will show a bunch of default buttons that are created for you next to any Amazon product. So as you can see, we're working with Amalinks Pro, so we don't really need to look at ASONPress or AAWP. So the first thing we'll do is go to the extension options, and we're going to hide all of those buttons. We'll leave these three here for now. So let's say you wanted to create an Amalinks Pro showcase box. You can simply click this, go over to your blank WordPress post, and I'm using the Gutenberg editor. So you can just paste that in there, click update, and then as long as your plugin is active, you should see your product showcase box. So I'm going to show you that really quickly one more time with just any product. You click over here, wait for it to load, and then click the button again, and you can paste it right below it. And we'll scroll down, and there's that second product. So that's how quickly you can create Amalinks Pro product boxes with my extension. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to create Amalinks Pro CTA or call to action buttons a little bit quicker with AMZ Table Assistant. So first of all, you're going to want to go to my homepage and then click Docs, Amalinks Pro, and that'll take you to here. And a call to action is basically a button like this where you click it and it'll take you over to Amazon. Obviously that link doesn't work, but that's how it would work for your readers when they're on your blog posts. So the Amalinks Pro CTA button is not a default button, so you'll have to create it. And right now I have the plugin active on my site, so the code you need doesn't show up here, but it looks like this here. So what we're going to do is just go to that document I created, copy this, go to your AMZ Table Assistant options, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to click plus. We're going to create a new button. Amalinks Pro CTA. We're going to choose a color. I'm going to try to pick the Amalinks Pro color. And then right here, you can just paste that code in there. The only thing you want to change in here is your affiliate ID. So change that there, and then if you wanted to change the text for your button, instead of saying buy on Amazon to check out on Amazon, you do that there. You'll click add button, click this back button, and then you'll see you have a new button here. So whenever you go to any product on Amazon, that button should now show up next to your product. Okay, so now that the button shows up here, let's go back to that document just so you can see what the next steps are to get this CTA shortcode button working. So you're going to go to an Amazon product listing, click the copy ASIN button, and then you're going to click the newly created button and paste the ASIN into that pop-up. So let me show you what that looks like. So let's say I wanted to create a CTA button for this. I'm going to click copy ASIN, click Amalinks Pro, paste that ASIN in, click OK, and then I'm going to go back to my blog post, and we're going to paste that right there. And now when I refresh my page, there is our CTA button we just created. And if we click that, I can show you that it does go there. It has my correct affiliate tag in there. And that works for just about anything. So if you wanted to create multiple buttons, one that says view on Amazon, one that says checkout on Amazon, if you wanted to create multiple buttons for different affiliate IDs for tracking purposes, you can absolutely do that here. And I did want to point out there's a much more in-depth editor if you do it from WordPress, but I prefer to do my product research and things like that directly from Amazon. So this just makes it a little bit easier for me to quickly hop between WordPress and Amazon when I'm writing my blog post. However, if you do like using the backend WordPress editor, at the very least, my extension will help you copy the ASIN, and then you can use the Amalinks Pro editor and paste it in that way too. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to show you is right now I'm showing you these buttons from within the individual product page. One of the latest updates of AMZ Table Assistant is now we have buttons on the search page. So let's say you're on Amazon searching for Christmas lights. Right now you don't see any of those buttons here. If you hover over a product, you can quickly copy the ASIN, which is cool. But if you go into the extension options, you can click this checkbox here to make them show up here for you. So now you don't even have to drill into the product if you want to create a CTA button. You just do, let's do this one here. Copy ASIN, Amalinks Pro, paste it in. It automatically copies it to your clipboard. Let's delete everything here. Paste that in. And now we're going to refresh that page. Here's our new button that we just created, and it takes us to that product. So it's a super cool, super fast way to insert those CTA buttons and product boxes with Amalinks Pro.